I cut the pattern out, test fit. Looks all right to me. I'm no pro, but it's my first try. So I had this in there, it was nice and perfect, and then I pulled something to adjust it, and it frayed up. And then I tried to push it back down, and it just stuck to my finger. When I pulled out my finger, it all came with it. It's part of it, part of the learning experience. But we were able to get it in. How to cut a new piece. It's in there. Got the rudder assembly installed, push-pull system. And we're just waiting on some hardware for the struts. And we did get the electronics tray in. Basically, I just wanted it for the servo mount and to line up those tubes that go in through there. We did go pretty high up on the Kevlar. Also made our ESC splitter, some servo extensions we had. So I wouldn't have to order one. You guys can see how wet that is there. Nice and shiny. So I think the only thing I need to order that's left to order is the ESCs and the shafts and the props, and that's about it because I just ordered the motors. They'll get here tomorrow. And we'll be having this out on the Maiden pretty soon. Sooner than I expected. Shout out to Boltworks for the advice on the motors. I was gonna throw the dynamites in there, but you let me know about the rockets. So we ordered some rockets for this thing. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it.